Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XDC tokens from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. Today, I'm going to walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this guide will have you transferring your assets in no time. First things first, make sure you have both wallets installed on your device and that you have some XDC in your Trust Wallet. Also, double-check that your Phantom Wallet is set up with the correct network for XDC. It's usually the ShinFin network, so confirm that in your settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the XDC token in your portfolio. You'll see your balance there. Tap on it to access the send or withdraw option. Before you proceed, you need the receiving address from your Phantom Wallet. So, switch over to Phantom Wallet, go to your XDC account, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the right one, always verify to avoid any mistakes. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address into the To field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees if applicable. Review the details carefully, then hit Send or Confirm. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once that's done, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. After it's confirmed, head back to Phantom Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your XDC tokens there. If you run into any issues, like failed transactions, check for sufficient funds, correct network selection, or even wallet updates. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts. There you have it. A quick and easy way to withdraw XDC from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.